Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily make quotation in Zoho Books. So all you have to do is head over to books.zoho.com, and from here, make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, in the left panel, just click on sales, then click on quotes. So from here, just start by clicking on create new quote. And here, just fill in all the necessary details and information about the quote, starting with the customer name. You also have here a pre-made quote number. Also add in or check the quote date if it's correct, add expiry date, and assign salesperson, and also a subject to let your customer know what this quote for. And also in the item table, start with adding in the item details and check if all the details is correct. Also add in rate, discount, and tax if applicable. And in this section, add in if there are any shipping charges and adjustments. You can also add in terms and conditions. Then once done, just head over and click on save and send. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Now we'll see you again on the next one. Bye!